are going to go get coffee at this little cafe by the lake. Michael's a bit upset because he lost his wedding ring. He doesn't know where he put it and he can't find it. He's not worn it for 2 days? 3 days, no, 2 days, don't lie. 2 days. Second day today. No ring on the finger!
Great man.
This is the shortcut we take. So the cafe is behind those trees. Now I want to make myself an avocado toast because we went for coffee before we had breakfast. I don't know why we did that. Now I'm so hungry. So hungry. Taking out the toaster.
Do you want it soft boiled? Poached or fried?
Poached. Oh no, I think this avocados are not. Mashing the avocados so it was too hard. Ran away to have breakfast in front of the computer, so I'm having breakfast alone here. I am waiting for Michael outside here. We're going out, but he is still inside. I don't know, he still can't find his ring. I don't know where it is. He takes longer to get ready than I do, and he complains when I'm like 2 minutes late or doing my hair or brushing my hair while waiting for him. We are at the Northbridge truck something fair. Is this thing? Food truck rumble. It's a bit windy today. Coffee? Are we getting coffee first?
Yeah, you want to shower?
No, let's just walk first and see if I... Oh yes. Thank you. Oh, that was quick. Small flat white for us. I thought you were gonna get my name wrong, but she didn't say my name. She called me Tara.
What's a dumpling?
Jumbo dumplings. Yeah, this coffee is not nice.
It's too bitter for you. I really like it though.
You like it?
How?
I don't.
So what are we eating, girl? Dumplings. Food truck festival. You happy?
It's okay. It's
Not amazing.
yeah. I've tried that. Michael's ordering the yakisoba.
Have the Japanese fried noodles.
Yes, $13.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
My personal opinion is not that great. I can make better ones.
It's okay. It's not spicy.
We got Nutella crepes. I took 2 forks, which is dumb.
Why are they dumb?
I'll get
Just grab it, bite it. Okay.
No, I'm a lady.
I'm not.
Leaving the food truck rumble. We're quite disappointed. Well, I am very disappointed with the food. Both food we ordered didn't really taste so good, and even the crepe that we had wasn't up to our standards. So now we're going home and just chill. And I think I want to get another coffee because the coffee we had also wasn't so good. It was so bitter. Since the food at the food truck rumble wasn't great, I'm still hungry. I'm having rice crackers and dip. This is the basil pesto hummus dip. Focus. It is not focusing. Yep, there you go. While I have my snack, I'm going to do my crossword puzzle. I'm such an auntie, I know, but I love doing this. Michael starts a new job tomorrow, so I'm helping him out by ironing all his work shirts for the week while watching Casey Neistat. Oh my god, he looks so creepy there. Look at him. Oh my god. I am waiting for Michael outside again. We are going for dinner with a friend's family. They wanted to do something nice for us because we invited them over for the wedding in KL. And we are supposed to be there at 6 and now it's 6:50, so we're late. Michael's going to pick up a bottle of wine for them. So we just got back from dinner with Michael's parents. With Michael's friend's parents. So he's actually the best man at our wedding. Was the best man at our wedding. So he's Michael's good friend, like best friend. Best friend? One of his best friends.
I don't like to categorize my friends.
Okay, fine. He doesn't like categorizing his friends. So it was really good. And then when we got home, our next door neighbor gave us cookies. Wait, I'm trying to bring it up here. Look. NZ cookies. And then because we weren't home, so they sent us a note. It's so nice. They gave us food and then they said sorry. So I was talking to Michael. So what do we do from now? So they gave us cookies. They wanted to say hi to us. So what do we do? Do we, return the favor, give them food, or do we just leave it as it is? I don't know. But I think I might just go over and give them food. I don't know. Invite them over. I don't know. What do we do? What should we do? I'm saying goodnight now. We are saying goodnight. I'm gonna wash my mask off, shower, and sleep. Say goodnight, Boo.
Good night, Boo.
Say goodnight.
Good night.
Bye.